Yeah, hi, Tom Schaefer here with Blossom Installations. I just finished installing a VACE Technologies satellite integration module. Before I explain to you a little bit about the module, I would just like to point out that my customer was using the portable satellite radio system and he got fed up with the lack of sound quality, the intermittent audio that he would have to deal with, the fact that he lost his pocket, he lost his USB port, and he lost his 12-volt charging port by using the portable satellite system. Again, as you can see here, portable satellite, he lost his USB, set his 12-volt port behind it, and he lost the use of his pocket. Once he got fed up with that, he contacted Blossom Installations to install a VACE Technologies GSR 101. This is a fully integrated satellite radio piece that installs completely behind the dash and activates the Sirius XM icon on the audio screen. No more does he have to give up the USB port or his 12-volt port. All he needs to do, press the Sirius XM on the factory radio, and there it is. VACE Technologies, GSR 101, Blossom Installation, Northeast Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, your automotive electrical technical installation experts. Blossom Installations.